guys, so what I said earlier is exactly true. I left way too much paint on here. That's what happens when you don't tilt enough off. This is totally a mistake. It was totally gorgeous and now it's totally a mess. So what you want to do in this instance is let it dry and then just paint over it. There's no point in trying to scrape it now, but yeah, this coulda, shoulda been a good one, but yeah, it happens. It happens to all of us. See how it kind of moved? Yeah, it's not really super horrible, but it's certainly not what I was looking for. Anyhow, it happens. I had to show you. So this is the dried result, and you can see everything moved. It's not good. It's not good. So I'm probably going to paint over it. There was so much base paint on here. It was just ridiculous. And it all kind of pooled here and then just ran off. Because as you can see on the sides over here, they turned out pretty good. You know, some of the pearls and stuff. But yeah, I had to show you. Yeah, see, everything moved. I mean, I don't know, at first, when I first saw it, I thought, oh, not so bad. Now that it's dry, it's bad. So anyhow, I had to show you this before I show you this. And we are going to do an 11 by 14. I am doing a pour, a translucent pour that is inspired by Sara Taylor. And it's the one opal that she did. She had a very dark background, and then she put her colors over top. I'm going to sneeze. Oh my goodness. Yeah, these are all color art. These do not require putting any Rit dye, alcohol inks, whatever in it. Oh my goodness. This is Dragonfly Wing. Beautiful color. Love it. Love, love, love. And that's gonna go. I must be allergic. This is teal zircon. Also, and these I mixed with my. I've got a video on how I mix my colors. This is autumn leaf, one of my favorites. This is burnt umber. This is burnt umber. These all have a really nice glisten to them too. This is Azure Moon. These are all primary elements. And you'll see what they do. You know, it'll be cool, I think. I'm going to do a dark base and then put something a little bit lighter over top. So I'm going to start in the center. And I might do 2 of these, so I'm going to save some paint. This is the teal zircon. This is the Azure Moon. And this is the, what is this? Autumn leaf and burnt umber. And I'm going to use my Berta. So here we go. High fan cool. Transparent, translucent base on here and let it move around. Ooh, pretty. So now we're going to have wet corners. Everything's going to be, oh yeah baby. Oh, I'm liking it already. And I missed over there. to go over there. Come on. There you go. Wow, pretty darn cool. Thank you, Sara Taylor. Whoa! I want to leave it just like that. Sorry, Ice, I just got stepped on you. Are you kidding me? Do I have enough paint off? I'm not sure. Oh, Sarah. Holy Toledo. Maybe I should just leave it for a few minutes. I really like that. Really like that. All right, so we're gonna put some colors down. This is Modern Masters Pearl White and Golden Titanium White. This is Modern Masters Antique Copper. This is the rest of the Modern Masters Iridescent Gold. This is Soho in Mineral Blue. This is a new one from Master's Touch, and it's called Pearlized Vermilion. And then we have Golden Quinacridone Magenta. So, wow, I might do two of these. And you know, I didn't know if I was supposed to put any kind of paint on the sides because I'm sure it's going to show through because it is a transparent. Look at that. That is so freaking cool. All right, let's start with the white. I'm going to go light to dark. Very close to what she did. I am so inspired by her. I just love her stuff. I've got a few of her paintings, or a couple. She did different colors in the one that her opal. It was Fire Opal. This is not opal at all. And then I think I'm going to leave that. And then if I need to come in with some pink, I will. I'm going to blow this out. I blew a lot because of the last painting I did. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I can't even tell you. I think I'm going to put some more teal zircon on this. This mineral blue is not doing what I really want it to do. The teal zircon is to die for. Holy cow. Don't see many pearls. Of course, it's early. I'm just all of the colors blending. Now I'm gonna try some gold. Yep. All right, let's try some more. There, a piece of dust right there. That is so gorgeous. And I'm going to take, this is that pearlized vermilion. Put it right over it. Sara Taylor, you're a genius. Maybe one more here. That is really pretty. I'm going to use this. I think it's blue black. Let me see. Yep. I'm not going to do much more to it. Nope, I don't want to. Clean up my sides here, my corners, and I'm going to do another one. All right, stop. Just stop. I'm going to watch it. See if it does anything. It probably won't because that's already a pearl mix, so I don't know if a pearl and a pearl will go well. Oh my God, I just love it. All right, guys, I gotta wrap this one up before bugs start getting all over it. But wow, and the colors are still coming through. See the browns? Are you kidding me? Oh my God. We'll have to see how it dries. Hopefully I didn't leave too much paint on like I did the last one. Bear to bug. Gotta fish them out. I am so impressed by this color blending, this color transformation right there. I mean, it's still coming through. So we'll have to see what it looks like in the morning. They usually only take an hour to dry, or a day to dry. But yeah, what do you think? Let me know. Okay guys, so here's the dried result.